everyone. So,
hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel.
yeah, mas clear ba ang audio namin ngayon? It's because we finally got a mic.
Yeah, actually si Kim ang nakadiscover ng mic na to.
Yeah. After many YouTube videos that I've watched about cheap mics on Amazon.
660 na pala.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you very much sa mga...
340 more?
Yes.
Yeah, so 1,000 subscribers. That's pretty crazy, right?
Pabuti nyo naman kami ng 1,000 guys. Ipatry nyo naman sa amin sa tanang buhay namin.
True. Pero kung aabutin kami ng 20 years na nasa 660, that's okay. That's alright. No problem. No biggie.
Gabi kawawa naman yun. Nag-vlog pa tayo nun.
Siguro naman mas marami akong kamag-anak na sa 660, diba?
Na
people. Kung magsa-subscribe lang lahat ng kamag-anak ko, siguro nasa 1,000 na tayo.
Grabe naman yun.
Hindi. Yung sa'yo rin.
Well, bakit? Okay.
So, ilan ba Facebook friends
siguro, hindi ko alam.
Oh.
Natanggal ako ng Facebook friends eh.
Ay, ako wala akong Facebook. So, mahirap. Kaya, irrelevant na.
Sa mga bagong nag-subscribe sa amin, maraming salamat. Sana naman po ma-promote niyo yung vlog namin sa mga nagbabalak na pumunta dito at sa mga mahilig lamang sa mga pasyal-pasyal. Baka pwede niyo namang i-recommend yung channel namin sa mga friends niyo at mag-subscribe sila.
Totoo. Or kung gusto niya lang ng kasama sa mga pag naglilinis kayo, tapos gusto niya ng background noise. Kasi ako minsan pag hindi ako makatulog sa gabi, nagpe-play lang ako ng vlogs para parang may tao pa rin.
True.
Yeah.
So anyway, ngayong araw na to,
it's gonna be December. Isn't that crazy?
Totoo. And kakagaling lang ni Kim sa appointment niya.
Nagpa-cupping ako, guys. Cupping is where gaganito na hindi. Joke lang. Cupping is vendosa. Vendosa yun, diba? Ventosa. Yung they take a glass na parang circular glass, tapos they put fire inside a little bit so that it's enough to suck your skin when they put it down on your skin. And it's supposed to promote circulation, blood circulation, and in turn, better health. I don't know, it's part of acupuncture.
Yeah. So, ngayon, since hapon na and hindi pa kami kumakain, so maghahanap kami ng food ngayon. And supposedly may gagawin kaming iba pero hindi namin alam. Baka hindi lang kami makapag-isip na maayos kasi nga gutom kami.
True.
So samahan niyo kami maghahanap tayo ng food.
Totoo. Anyways, thanks all for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next vlog.
Uy!
Sige, wait lang. Magdadrive muna ako. Tapos, we'll see you there. Baka magpupukerito na lang kami. Okay, sige. Bye.
Andito kami malapit sa Metro Town. Malapit sa mall.
Station Square ang tawag dito.
Station Square. Yeah. And bibili kami ng food na lang sa Pokerido.
Ano to? Tendon kuhaku. Anyways, yeah, dito kami sa Pokerido. Bibili ng food. Siguro hindi naman kami masyado mag-video pag nasa loob kami.
Yeah, so lalabas kami. Medyo mahangin and medyo maulan.
Yeah, try natin.
Try namin. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, bago lang tong poke dito.
Hey, grabe ulan.
Nung Thursday lang
ata siya. Naririnig ba ako? Ang ulan, grabe.
Pasok muna kami. Wait lang.
You have one already?
Whew, it's so cold. So cold outside. It's raining. Anyways, here's my bowl. And Kat's bowl is, ano yung bulgogi?
Natawa kami kasi
teriyaki.
Nakalimutan namin na bulgogi pala yun.
Yeah, so now, we can't park here because there's only a 30-minute parking spot. So, magdadrive na lang kami.
Hanap tayo ng kape?
Ay, anong gusto mong kape?
I don't know. Gusto mo na matcha? Iced?
Hindi, gusto ko din kape. Mainit kasi yung lamig eh.
Okay. So, saan?
It is only 5 o'clock and it's so dark out. This video doesn't even do it justice, but it's really dark out. Parang anong oras na? Looks like it's already like 7 o'clock. No?
Parang 7 na, pero 5 pa lang. Andito tayo ngayon sa Granville Island. Bumili kami ng kape.
Yeah, and
Pero,
as dito na lang kami kumain nung
oo.
kanina.
Yeah. And siguro mag-ikot-ikot kami, maghahanap tayo ng kape.
Yeah, since we're
Ay,
already
no,
there.
ng prutas, sorry.
Yeah, we'll walk around na lang. Like, see you in a bit. So, wipe lang sa ng table. Ayan. Half lang naubos ni Katrina na.
Yeah, kasi masyadong madami.
Yeah. Alright. Let's go for a walk.
Nasa taas pala tayo ng market. Meron silang pagkainan dito, pero I think ito lang talaga yung taas nila. The rest nasa labas na.
This is the food hall of the market. Kat is gonna buy a gelato. Kahapon kasi napaso yung ano ni Kat. It's hot water. Hindi na lang daw pala.
Tingin mo, kailangan ko ng ice cream?
Maybe we can find another one. Alright. This is the market na talaga.
Market.
Oo. Dami silang maraming stuff. Pero pa-close na rin ata sila eh. Because it's already 5. I think they close at 5:36. So we gotta be fast.
Anyway, prutas lang naman yung aanuhin natin dito.
Yeah. Looking for fruits.
There's, sa kabila pala farm.
Okay. Cheeses, pasta, and then here are the vegetables, produce stuff. The fruits are really nice here. Look.
That's a famous
Donut. Lee's Donuts. Ay, meron pa natin. Meron din doon, no? But let's go to this one. More cheeses. Di ba may na-pass by tayo kanina na ano?
ano?
Bagel. Yeah.
Daanan na natin.
Gusto mo ba ng bagel?
I don't know. Ikaw gusto mo ba?
Not really. Yan.
Kasi nag-apple juice
Bibili
ako.
kami ng apples and probably oranges and some berries. Oh, look. Here, I'll just buy a fresh mixed fruit. Plantain din sila dito. Wow. These ones are gooseberries pala. Ano to? Ayan, tumid kami ng berries and apples. Mga wala na rin laman yung mga ano.
Sarap yung creme brulee nila dyan.
Ay, true! Oo nga. Here, produce. Kaganda din ng mga vegetables and everything nila dito.
Ayun yung mga bagels. Oh.
Ay, oo nga. Gusto mo ba?
Ikaw gusto mo ba?
Breakfast natin bukas.
Okay,
Yeah.
sige. Hi! Can we get one plain and one rosemary rock salt?
Just two bagels to go?
Yes. Do I?
We bought 2 bagels and they cost $4. After this, I think we're done. We're gonna go back to breakfast natin. Ah, na.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go out. Wow! May
Oh, it's
mga
cold.
Christmas lights na rin dito, no?
Yeah. Din sa taas, oh. Taka, mag-ingat ka kasi.
Wow. Yeah, so we're at Granville right now. Ayan, no? Ang ganda na ng lights.
Tamang-tama lang pala yung parking natin. So, parking namin for 1 hour is magkano?
$3.30, I
1
think.
hour?
Yeah, 1 hour.
Akala ko $2 lang yun kasi yung 2 hours is $3.
No, 2 hours is $6.
Okay. So, mga $3
Yeah.
an hour.
Ito, masarap yung pano chocolate nila dyan. I think it's my mom's favorite, but I think it's my mom's favorite for because yan lang yung natatry niya talaga. Anyway, dito kami nag-park sa dito kami lagi nagpa-park sa harap ng Tap and Barrel
Yeah.
kasi lagi kami may nakikita dito. Dun sa ibang mga parking spot wala kami nakikita.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Magandang tourist. Sila to na.
Uh-oh.
Sila to. Maganda tong tourist destination ang Granville Island.
Katabi namin yun kanina nung kumakain kami.
Oo. Anong tawag nito? Magandang tourist destination or tourist spot ang Granville Island kasi nasa-showcase yung mga iba't ibang produkto dito sa
Na
Vancouver.
local.
Local, oo.
Yeah. And also, you're right beside downtown. Well, it's across the water from downtown, so you still get to see the lights from the buildings from downtown.
Ha?
Nakikita pa rin yung lights dun sa buildings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, it's cold.
It's so dark
Yung
out.
apple.
Ay, nandito pala. Tingnan kung nasan yung apple. Parang nagnakaw.
Ito lang yan.
It's only 6 o'clock. Look at how dark it is outside. Ayan. Right, pasok na tayo sa car. Ayan.
Wow, it's cold.
It's cold. Can you hold the camera? If you're in Vancouver and you're looking for
Oh, sorry, it's dark.
if you're in Vancouver and you're looking for a winter jacket, buy the one from Uniqlo. It's so warm.
And it's cheap.
Yeah, it's cheap. It's relatively cheap compared to others. And it's really nice. It's so warm. Parang nagpapawis pang ako minsan pag yun yung ginagamit ko.
Oh. Hi guys, so nasa bahay na pala kami ngayon. Siguro mga maya-maya aalis kami ulit,
Yeah.
depende.
Pupunta
Pero
kami ng Metro Town para bumili ng
pang-ulam namin.
hindi yung coat mo, di ba?
Oo, titignan namin yung Uniqlo kung makakabili ako ngayon ng pang winter jacket. Kasi yung jacket ko guys, 4 years na yan, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, 4 years na yung winter jacket ko. Hindi ako bumili ng bago. And I think it's about time kasi masikip na siya second. Hindi ko na siya masyadong naku-close kaya ako laging may scarf sa harap ko kasi yung hangin pumapasok siya dito sa loob ko, sa dibdib ko.
Alam nyo, medyo busy kami this coming week na
Na papasok na ang December.
Oo, sobrang busy kasi alam niyo naman siguro na kung mga company niyo may mga holiday parties tapos ginagawa nila very early kasi nagsasabay-sabayan towards the end. And then, nagkataon na yung Christmas party ng company ko at Christmas party ng company ni Kat magkasunod sa isa't isa. So, this week, parang Monday, birthday ni Kat. Monday, birthday ni Kat. Wala naman kaming ganap nun. But, kasi Monday siya, unang-unang day of the week. So, baka wala lang. Magsisinigang kami dito sa bahay kasi favorite ni Kat ang sinigang. And then, Tuesday, wala kaming ganap. Wednesday, siguro
maghahanap kami ng isasuot namin. Or I don't know.
Tonight na yun.
Okay.
Hanapin na natin tonight. We'll just take advantage of the Tuesday and not do anything.
Wednesday, wala din.
Wednesday, may ano ako. May trivia night.
Yeah, may trivia night. Si Kim pala. Pupunta siya ng
trivia night with work friends. Tapos, Thursday, yung ni Kat. And
Christmas
then
party
Friday,
namin. And then Friday, Christmas
party
ni
po
Kim.
naman. And then, sa Saturday, may appointment ako. So, bali sunod-sunod na after Wednesday. Kaya medyo...
Actually, Tuesday. Kasi Wednesday may ganap ka naman eh. Siguro, kung mag-Christmas party kami, siguro, ako, I think magte-take ako ng video sa venue. And then, clips lang. Hindi maramihan talaga kasi I don't think it's appropriate. Pero, at least may glimpse kayo or at least may maano kayo, highlights sa namin, sa mga Christmas party sa company namin. So, yeah.
Yeah, anyways, guess that's all. We reached 660 subscribers this weekend. Last night, actually. Paggising namin today, parang nakita namin na 660 na.
We are so happy!
Yeah. And then, we thank all of you. All 660 of you. Yeah.
And super thankful kami sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa amin.
True. And now that we have 660, we have a mic. And that's why our voice is really clear. And yeah, I think going forward, we're gonna try to use the mic every time para rinig na rinig talaga yung mga boses namin.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you all for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe. Good night. Bye.
See you tomorrow. See you in the next vlog.